Alright, here's another video of polynomial division, and we're going to use synthetic divisions. So I have x to the fourth minus 3x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x minus 16 all divided by x minus 3. So the first thing we want to do is take this divisor, x minus 3, set it equal to 0, and solve for x. You're going to do that by adding 3 to both sides, so you get x equals 3. Now you're going to come over to the side and put that 3 right there and draw kind of a little half box around it. Now you're going to want to get the coefficient of all the terms in your polynomial. So there's a 1, a negative 3, a negative 5, a 2, and a negative 16. Notice how I leave some space in between them there? Alright, draw my big bar there, and the first thing I do is bring down the 1. And I'm not going to draw the dotted lines this time. We'll just talk through it. 3 times 1 is 3, and I write that right there. And then I add the column. Negative 3 plus positive 3 is 0. And now I'm ready to multiply. 3 times 0 is 0. And now I'm ready to add. Negative 5 plus 0 is negative 5. And we're going to multiply. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. And now we add. 2 plus negative 15 is negative 13. And now we multiply. 3 times negative 13 is negative 39. And now we add. Negative 16 plus negative 39 is negative 55. And immediately after you write that negative 55, put a box around that because that's your remainder right there. And then you start from the right hand side and you write these. These are the coefficients of your x terms. So I have minus 13. I could, if I want to, write an x to the 0 there, if that helps you see the place. And then I have a minus 5. That'll be x to the 1. And then I have a 0, 0x squared. And then I have a 1, 1x cubed. Notice how the exponents going from right to left increase. 0, 1, 2, 3. And now I can just write this again if I want, simplifying it a little bit. I don't need this 1 here, so I can just write that as x cubed. 0 times x squared, well, that term is going to disappear. I don't really need that. And then I can write minus 5x. And then x to the 0 power, anything to the 0 power is 1. So I could just write minus 13. And don't forget you've got the remainder of negative 55. And that's an example of polynomial division using synthetic division.